Alright, how's it going everybody? I just figured I'd do a quick video here. Just want to show you washing the Hummer up right there. I've already washed Old Blue. I did that yesterday. I got to do some polishing, but look at there, she looks clean, folks. But let me show you what I got. So I got all my products from Harbor Freight. I was really surprised at how good everything is from Harbor Freight. They got McGuire cleaning products, and I'm telling you, McGuire's cleaning products does a really good job. Anyway, I got my pressure washer, and then I bought the little gun there. That's a pressure washer gun, but it's a little stubby. And then I bought the foam cannon. So I wanted to show you all that, but the main thing I wanted to show you is this foam cannon. So I'm going to pause the video a second, just crank up the pressure washer. Then I'm going to show you what this foam cannon does. You will be amazed. Alright, here we go. I got the pressure washer going. So here we go. We're going to show you what this thing will do. Trying to get a good picture, folks. But anyway, that's just a quick picture, folks. Let you see what that thing does. It really puts a lot of soap on that vehicle. So anyway, I got to go ahead and cut it short so I can go ahead and give it a wash. But I'm telling you, I'm impressed with that foam cannon. So go to Harbor Freight. I'm telling you, they got just about everything you need for detailing. I even got a polisher, so I haven't even polished the truck yet. But when you do, folks, do your research, because let me tell you, that polisher, you can damage a vehicle if you don't know what you're doing with a polisher. So don't be trying to do something that you don't know how to do. At least get just the polishing pad, the black polishing pad, with the orbital polisher. Don't use the yellow one. The yellow one's going to cut it too much, and you can remove your clear coat. So just trust me, folks, get the black one, and you'll be amazed. I did my car, my little daily driver. It's not here, so, but I'm telling you, that daily driver, man, she looks like a brand new paint job on it. But that's everything from Harbor Freight. Give them a try, folks. I'm telling you, I'm impressed.